Top 5 projects for data analyst. Ever wonder why some data analysts land great jobs in weeks while others apply for months with no replies? It's not the courses, it's not the certificates, it's the portfolio. So let me show you the top 5 data analyst projects that actually impress employers and exactly what each one proves about your skills. Let's start with the one hiring managers secretly love the most. But before that, sign for our channel to never miss another video. The first project is a real-world business dashboard. Not a random chart, not a pretty template, a dashboard that tells a story. Pick a real data set, like retail sales, airline delays, or e-commerce orders. Show revenue by day, customer acquisition, return rates, and seasonality. The reason this works, it proves you can clean data, build KPIs, design visuals, and translate numbers into decisions. If your dashboard can answer questions like, which product lost the company the most money last quarter? Or which customer segment is growing fastest? Congratulations, you've already beaten half of the applicants. The second project is a data cleaning and transformation pipeline. This one never goes viral on YouTube, but recruiters absolutely love it. Why? Because in real companies, analysts spend 60 to 80% of their time cleaning messy data. Take a dirty data set, duplicates, missing values, weird date formats, incorrect prices, and show how you fixed everything using SQL, Power Query, or Python. Show before and after, show the logic. This project demonstrates something courses rarely teach. You can handle chaos. The third project is the cohort and retention analysis. This is how companies like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon measure user behavior. It answers questions like, do new users stay longer than last year? Which marketing channel produces the best long-term customers? Build a cohort table, chart retention curves. If you can explain why week 4 retention dropped by 12%, or why a certain cohort behaves differently, you instantly look like someone who understands business impact, not just charts. The fourth project is a price, revenue, or profitability simulation. This one shows you can think like an analyst, not just visualize like one. For example, what happens to total revenue if a product's price increases by 5%? What happens if customer churn rises by 1 percentage point? Build a simple model using Excel or Python that lets the user change assumptions and instantly see new results. This signals you understand sensitivity analysis, which is one of the most important tools for business decision-making. And now for the most powerful project of all. The fifth project is a full case study, the thing that turns a candidate into a hire, not just a data set, a story. Define a business problem. Maybe sales are falling, customer complaints are rising, or marketing spending is too high. Walk through your process, how you prepared the data, how you analyzed patterns, what insights you found, and, most importantly, the final recommendations. Should the company drop a product, adjust prices, target a certain customer group? A full case study proves you can do the one thing AI can't. Think critically. Here's the secret. You don't need 20 projects to stand out. You need 5 excellent ones that show real business thinking. Dashboards, cleaning pipelines, cohort analysis, simulations, and case studies. These 5 alone will put you in the top 5% of applicants.